Hello everybody, we are back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make EEM TRIPPLIN or any rap artist or any character in Blender with this simple method. So, EEM TRIPPLIN may look a little rough right here. I actually had some changes within the face at the very end, but I'll show you guys that. But however, right here I'm just making the dreads. It's a pretty simple process. I use a curve and I fill up the depth, and then I just edit the curve within the geometry nodes. The color you could achieve with the color ramp as shown right here. You could also edit the dread to make it curvy when you go into edit mode after creating a curve. You can make it a path curve, you can make it a Bezier curve. Just fill up the depth and go into tab and edit the switches in edit mode, and that should give you your result. But you guys know I gotta get EEM TRIPPLIN right, so I'm gonna try and perfect his dreads. In which case I had to add that color ramp to the base color, and I added 3 switches of different types of browns and blacks so I can mix together the colors and make his dreads kind of fade into the other colors like in real life. So what this led me to do is go to the modifiers tab and go to the screw modifier, and you're just gonna add that in.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Nah, but seriously, after I played with the settings for a little while, I actually got a pretty good result, and I'll show you guys that.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Now that I had the dreadlock design down, I just had spread these out all around its head. I gave him a lot of dreads because he has a lot of dreads in real life. So just spread it all around his head, and it should be good. And as for the body, you want to go into edit mode and you want to select all around my man's chest and arms. And if you're giving him a short sleeve shirt, should be pretty easy and simple. You just select around his, upper body, and then you're going to duplicate that part and you're going to scale it up and add a solidify modifier to just give it some more fluffiness and more of a t-shirt look. And make sure not to forget that you assign it to a white material or whatever color you want your shirt item to be. Just create a new material and assign it to that. Yes, I do know there's missing parts of his t-shirt. I went back in and fixed that. It was just mid-tutorial. I did not feel like undoing all that, so it's fixed. Also, duplicate it, click P, separate by selection, and then you can scale it up and it'll be its own selected area. In which I did the same method for the pants. I did that solidify modifier on there after duplicating and scaling up his legs, and I gave it just a basic black material with a leather, I believe, texture, and that was basically it. As for the shoes, it was pretty quick and simple. I basically just added a cube or a rectangle, and I edited the vertices to make it beveled and kind of look like a shoe. However, when you add this character into like Mixamo or any Mixamo or any 3D animation software, the shoes won't really stand out. I mean, as long as there's something on his feet that looks half decent, nobody's really gonna notice, especially if you're not getting much shots of his feet. So I just kind of threw something on so his feet weren't bare out with his toes. After adding some dreads, and I think I even gave him a jewelry piece if you guys want a tutorial on that, that was basically it for EEM. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you're not very disappointed on EEM. But yeah, that was basically it. That was how to create EEM TRIPPLIN in a 3D character. If you guys want some more, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.